Hello, Abby's office. Hey, no, Abby. Eh? The couple them they here. The couple back on yesterday said them have one back a problem. Yeah, girl. Keep a beg a call you back. Send them in, girl, and go for my popcorn. Alright. Hi, good morning. How are you? Take a seat, take a seat, take a seat. Thanks. Where are you? What is up with them? Get away! Sorry about that. Anyways, my name is Abigail and I'm here to help you with any problem. So just dash your business but tell me your problem and I'll assist you.
Please turn off your phone.
What? Oh, you see that? Watch out. I'm a mother, but they want to show you because I'm the first couple. So I just do want to show my mother. No, I'm sorry, I'm not doing it again. I love you. Anyways. Alright, so usually I would ask the questions and then wanna answer. But two I wanna look like someone have things to take off on the chest. Right? Alright, so Dexter, you go ahead first. I just can't hear. You're fired! Can't you tell me your business?
I fell for you like the rain.
Oh God. Sorry. Continue.
You was just fucking me for fame.
Rascal. I got a feel problem now. Him thinks that because he's a celebrity, any girl will come on him and just come on him for use him. Oh, I see.
Girl, better you did tell me say it's a bagger man you want.
Me? Really, Dexter? Miss, come on, Abby. Whatever, bitch. He want vex with me because man I look me. Me can't prevent man from looking me. I mean, me look good. And I like some like them back, I want them back. And them want me.
And you want tell me say a bagger man want you owe me fi be bandwagon. Be bandwagon.
I mean, Dexta Daps. She really can't prevent man from looking at her now. I mean, she's very attractive. So looking at her is like inevitable. Him know that, but maybe I think say maybe because him look me in one party. Oh shit. Anyone will approach me, just I go do the same with them. But I'm not gonna do the same, I'm tired for telling him that. No, I understand, but Dexter, not look at it that way. Look at it like you win her heart, and then that's why she give her a chance. Exactly. But now I think when I really fix it and done.
I'd rather be a quitter.
Give her another chance, man.
She's like fire.
She, what do you mean by that?
The little pussy can't eat. Fuck any dog way up me.
Jesus Christ, this need my assistant. I never left goods. I pure problem goods. May I cut my ears? Sorry. I mean, where you think you get all of them information here from, girl? Oh no.
Remember say you do this before.
What I do? What you do?
Somebody fuck up her brain. So anyway she go, she can't spin.
Oh my lord! You still don't know what I'm talking about, girl? Come now.
I know I've got to move on. You've been fooling me for too long.
You still not talk, little girl? Talk no.
I believe in you.
No, why am I assume things? It's like you not trust me for a morning.
I trusted you with everything. Now I've got to move on. You've been fooling me for too long.
Oh God, don't know about it. We just not understand. We don't know what I'm doing. Watch your people, look, watch her. She's still at the night.
I never me and the last man. You
Babe.
better you go sit down. Me can't stand you.
But me never.
Whoever you are, fuck a top on you. Fuck up on you.
You catch that? Yeah, girl.